Hello, employers. Welcome to the UTRGV Career Center. Today, we're going to walk you through Handshake and how you can create an account to recruit UTRGV students for jobs, internships, and careers, as well as how to register for upcoming career expos. First thing you want to go to is the joinhandshake.com/employers URL, and you will land on the Handshake platform. You're going to go ahead and click on the sign up button up at the very top. You will then see a prompt indicating for you to sign up as an employer. You want to go ahead and type in your work email address. Once you typed in your email address, you typed in your password, you confirm the password, you will then go to a screen that says, "Welcome to Handshake." It's going to be asking you demographic information about you as a recruiter. Make sure to complete this. Once you complete your profile, at the very bottom, you will see a button that says next and a colon employer guidelines. On the employer guidelines, you will notice that the first question that the prompt asks you to answer is, are you a third-party recruiter working on behalf of another company? For the most part, most organizations will click no, unless you are a staffing agency or are an individual who is recruiting on behalf of another organization. You will then agree to the terms of services and policies. Make sure you click on that. And you can either click or unclick to agree marketing messages, including promotions from Handshake. Once you reviewed the Handshake employer guidelines, click on next to confirm your email. Handshake will then notify you that you have successfully signed up for Handshake, and now make sure you keep an eye out to your work email address for an email to confirm your account. Once you receive the email from Handshake, you will see a button that says confirm email address. Once you click on the confirm email address button, it will take you to step 3 of 4, join company. In this screen, if you are a large company, you can actually type in the name of your organization and you should be able to add yourself as a recruiter to that organization. If you are a small business, you probably do not have an existing account, so you need to create a new account. If you need to create your organization, click on the button that says Create New Company. Type in your company name. You can add your company logo, upload a banner for your profile, select your company industry, website, location, and description. At the very end, at the bottom, you will click on the blue button that says Create New Company. Step 4, connect with schools. There are thousands of colleges and universities that are affiliated with Handshake and use the portal to post up jobs. We encourage you to do a search for the University of Texas, Rio Grande Valley. Step 4, connect with schools. Handshake recommends that you select 10 to 15 schools or less. We would encourage you to look up the University of Texas, Rio Grande Valley. You can also look up other local universities in the South Texas region if you wish to add more than just UTRGV. In the select search bar, type in University of Texas, Rio Grande Valley, click on search, and you will find us. Click on the plus button to add us. Once you clicked on the add button, the plus, it will then turn into a blue check mark. Click on next, finish. Once you finish, you will then land at your Handshake dashboard, and you will find a prompt indicating whether you want to send automatic updates to students about their status of their application. You can click on Never Send Status Messages or Edit and Activate Status Messages. We encourage you to engage with our students and click on Edit and Activate Status Updates. Congratulations, you have created your Handshake account and have requested access to the University of Texas Rio Grande Valley Career Center to post up jobs. You will then receive an email confirming that UTRGV has activated your account to post jobs at UTRGV. If you would like to expedite the process quicker, once you created your profile, you can email careercenter@utrgv.edu to inquire about your activation status to post up jobs at UTRGV. Once again, thank you for choosing UTRGV.